Today we are going to make pineapple syrup, and we will need sugar, pineapple essence and some yellow color. Add water to sugar and keep for boiling on medium flame. Keep stirring constantly till the sugar dissolves, and then reduce the flame to low. Keep stirring constantly till the syrup becomes a one-string syrup. Then you put off the gas, cover the syrup and let it cool down. Once the syrup cools down, strain it. That's the strained out one-string syrup. And now you add the essence and the color into it. Add the essence now. 1, 2 and 3 teaspoons of essence added. We have powder yellow color, so we'll add half a teaspoon of this and half a teaspoon of the sugar syrup. Mix it well to remove any lumps or powder, and mix the solution into the sugar syrup. Mix everything up thoroughly, and once done, transfer the pineapple syrup to a clean sterilized bottle and cap it tight. Store in the fridge and use as needed. Do try this syrup and give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.